What is up, everybody? We're up at about 4:30. Got my buddy here with me. Once Walmart opens around 6, we got something, we got a notification about something that we're gonna go look for, and we're gonna take you along for the ride. So let's grab some coffee and get this day started. Okay, we have pulled up to the deepest, darkest depths of our city, known as Walmart. And these guys are pretty lovely. Let me turn the heater down. You know I love you guys if I'm turning down the heater. It is cold. We got, I mean, it's busy, guys. We're gonna be competing for register here when we go to check out. But we're here. It's early. It's cold. But we got a hot tip on something, and we need to make some content for you guys. It's been 24 hours since I put out a video, so we're stretching it a little bit. So let's go ahead and see what we find, and hopefully we can get a shout out for you guys, get a bolo, and see if we can make you guys some money too. Let's get it, guys.
A few moments later.
If this was in a bigger size, I think it would belong in a different store. I mean, no pun intended. Okay, I don't really see much. Looked up that, if you're ungated in that, that's a good one right there. Let's see. I don't see much, guys. Good pick for eBay, not for Amazon. See, again, good pick for eBay, not so much for Amazon. It's a little crazy price for clearance. Alright, so the one item we came to look for is not here, so let's check another section. Okay, when I said I was looking for some good clearance, this is totally not what I was talking about. Yeah, no, that was terrible, guys. I'm sorry. I'm ashamed of myself. Let's keep hunting, though.
Several bad puns later.
Okay, so if you guys remember the other video, and I'll put it up there for you, we got these at $7 at the other Walmart. I'll pay $7, but I will not pay $13. Now, has anybody had any luck with any of these My Life things? They're everywhere, and they don't go. If you've picked up any of these My Life things, put it in the comments below. So, we're in the pharmacy aisle, and there's something specifically that we're looking for, hygiene-wise, dental hygiene-wise, and if you want to know what it is, go check out Shane, the Rise and Grind picker. There's none here for us to pick up, so we'll let him show you what it is. Forget to grab the lifeblood sauce. In particular, oh, the cold stove. Best on earth right here, guys. Let's get out of here.
20 minutes later.
What is up, everybody? We are out of Walmart, and we are, just hanging out here. And you might say it's kind of hard to see me, but I might say it's kind of hard to see you. So, I mean, we're kind of fair here. So, walking through, we didn't find much, but that's the name of the game, guys. You don't find much. And the fact is, we went there for, some $5 creamer, came out. We got those 2 bird feeders. Now, they don't have a rank, but they're going for about $29.99. So, I mean, for $5 into 30, after fees and everything, we'll probably profit about 12 to 15. So you can't complain. We went, spent $5 on creamer, gonna profit $24. So, I mean, 10 minutes of our time, $19. It's more than a lot of people are making in a couple hours at their job. So, if you guys had fun on this ride along, definitely comment, subscribe, hit that like button, share it up, spread the word. And don't just spread my word, guys. We're here to help. Wade's Ventures, shout out to Rise and Grind Picker, shout out to the Bearded Picker, Liquidation Ohio, all those great guys. You guys should be subscribed to every single one of them, as they are, just like myself, trying to give you guys nothing but genuinely free, good knowledge on how to change your life or enhance the position you're in. So one thing I want to start doing, I want to leave you guys with a quote, and this one is from Ed Milet. And if you don't know anything about Ed Milet, look him up. He's an amazing inspirational speaker, among many other things. And he said, show me someone that has big old goals, and I'll show you someone that has equally big, if not bigger, reasons. And I believe what he was saying there is people don't do things just to do them. People don't say, I want to reach this goal, and then they reach it. People have reasons, and the reasons are the driving factors behind why these people go out here and do these things and achieve the success that they do. Whether that reason be for your significant, for your children, for other family members, to prove someone wrong. There's a lot of reasons, guys, and if you can differentiate between what you're doing and why you're doing it, you'll be just that much more successful. So get out there every day, guys. Hit that grind, get that hustle, make that money, subscribe, and have an amazing day.